in any one of the good universities. Okay, so you will be coming to know, I mean, in what key aspects or in what domain this international faculty will be working on. Okay, so I think that's one of the thing. And similarly, some 3 years back, I had invited one of the professor from UT Austin, USA, University of Texas Austin, Deji Akinwande. So finally, I could send one of my students, Jayant Arti, to work under him. He has just completed his MS and he got his PhD, both I think in Carnegie Mellon as well as in UT Texas Austin. So he is continuing in UT Austin because of his field. Okay, so actually the title of this talk is Rethinking Computing with Neuro-Inspired Learning, Devices, Circuits, and Algorithms. Okay, so it will be one of the good talk, I think. So make sure that you won't get these kind of speakers, okay, as and when. So that's why. So I was finding good people in this particular area, and fortunately, I could get him. And I had met Professor Kaushik in 2012 at IIT Bombay. So I'd been there to present one of my conference paper, so I could meet him because he was one of the keynote speaker at that time. And one of your super senior, I think last year, I think 2019 December or 2020 January, we had one distinguished lecture at SJC by Karthik Yogendra, Dr. Karthik Yogendra. Hope you people remember. So he is now working in IBM Albany, USA, and Karthik was Kaushik's student. Okay, so you can see that your seniors, okay, so they have accomplished in very good areas, and they're working, and they're actually the key ambassadors of SJC. So in the same streamline, okay, so if anyone interested, okay, you can later contact them, and if you want, you can pursue your studies in the same field or whatever. Okay, so I request all of you to register because we are hosting this in Google Meet. After 100 it exits, so you'll be going to the video link and YouTube link. So that's why make sure that you register and you get the link and you join the Google session itself, Google Meet session, rather than the YouTube. Okay, hope this is fine. Hope this is fine. All of you will get the poster and the flyer maybe in next 1.5 hours. Yes, Akhil? Akhil, are you there? Yeah, so okay, so I think he will send in a few minutes, not in few minutes, because class will be going on. Maybe by 12:45 onwards, once my class gets over, he will be sending. Make sure that you make use of this uh, particular lecture. Okay, so this is my request, and yeah, so hope everything is fine, and we'll start the today's session. Okay, so without any delay. Yeah, so coming back to where we were in the last class. Okay, so we were actually over here, right? So we had seen the cascading issue. I mean, we were discussing the cascading issue in dynamic CMOS logic. Yes, and this is what the dynamic CMOS logic. That too, when cascaded, it happens. Okay, so this is one stage of dynamic CMOS logic. This is the second stage, and it is an inverter now. Okay, so this is inverter one, and this is inverter two. I have cascaded, and as I had asked you people last class, I told you, given this clock cycle, okay, 0 1 0 1, okay, and mentioned that, so what is exactly your input V in will be, okay, it was something like this, 0 0 followed by 1 and 1, and I had asked you what would be your output 1 and what would be your output 2. Anyone has done this particular homework or assignment? Yes, anyone? Yes, anyone at least. Anyone tried at least? Anubhav, starting with the great CR. Yes. Anubhav, did you check that at least? No? Fast, yes or no? That's it.
No, sir.
No, very good. Geeta Patil.
Yes, sir.
So, did you get any?
Right, sir.
So you tried.
Yes, sir.
So
Output one, sir, for
output one, you are.
first cycle.
Yes, Sumukh, welcome,
Second,
man.
it is one, sir.
Just a minute, Geeta. Sumukh,
Yes, sir.
hope you'll be there for next 1 hour, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where were you, man, till this point?
Sir, 11:15 computer sir class.
I think 11:56 amare. ನಾನು 11:50 ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದೇನು ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದೇ.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದಿನ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಲೋ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇನು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ತೋರ್ಸು ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಗ.
1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 2 ನೀನು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿಯೋ, ಪೀಪಲ್ ದ ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಒನ್. Yeah. Anyone else identify where exactly the problem is? Yes, Geeta, you are telling something. Did you come to know where exactly the problem arises?
Sir, at the second stage output.
Okay, good.
Because the switching of 0 to 1 will be slow in the first stage, sir.
Okay.
So it will be, not exactly the higher VDD.
Okay.
Okay,
we'll see now. Okay, anyhow, we can see now. So okay, will I worry about what is the input to stage 1? Sumukh. Yes, Shreyas K.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So clock 0, will I worry about Vin? What is the Vin with respect to stage 1?
No, sir.
As well as what is the input for stage 2?
No, sir.
Now tell me then, what is the output 1 and output 2?
Sir,
what will be output 1 and output 2? And in
Sir,
what phase this dynamic CMOS logic will be?
sir, output 1 will be high, sir.
Okay, output 1 will be high. That is VDD. Next.
Sir, next output 2 will be low, sir.
Why low?
Sir, illi.
So second stage of inverter 2 ಗೆ clock ಏನಿದೆ still?
Sir, clock 0 ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
sir, high ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Then what phase will the dynamic CMOS logic will be irrespective of the stages the moment clock is 0?
It will be high.
Recharge.
Recharge.
Okay, so it will be in
Recharge state.
pre-charge state, both. Okay, so this is VDD and that is VDD. Okay, is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So the moment clock is 0, it is a pre-charging phase or pre-charging phase. Okay, if I have 100 stage cascaded, all the stages output will be at VDD. Okay, irrespective of what is their corresponding V input. Okay, this is what. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, Sahana P.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now tell me the second half of the first clock cycle. Now clock becomes 1. What
Yes, sir.
phase the dynamic CMOS logic will enter?
So floating.
Floating.
So because
Simple. The moment clock becomes 1, the dynamic CMOS logic enters which evaluation phase? Which phase of working?
evaluation phase.
This is evaluation. Tell me what really happens with respect to output 1 when clock is equal to 0. Sorry, clock is equal to 1.
Sir, it
So what is V in? You have to see now V in also, right? That is what you have to do. You have to see V in.
Yes.
V in is 0. That is, this is 0. So this is off. This is on. This is off. So there is a capacitance that is connected over here, and similarly there is a one load capacitance connected over here. Now tell me what really happens with respect to output 1. Is it connected either to VDD through PMOS, or will it be connected to VSS through 2 NMOS via, or it will be floating?
So it will be floating.
It will be floating, but what is its output?
So high.
High only, but what we call this high as high impedance state, right?
High impedance.
Yeah, so this is what we have. The moment I just write the shading thing, whatever I did, I do that. Now tell me what really happens with respect to output 2 now. So this is for stage 2, clock is 0, PMOS stop, PMOS is off, whereas output 1 is VDD only, so that's why this will be VDD. So what will happen to NMOS? The middle NMOS on off?
Off.
Middle NMOS, since gate input is VDD, what will happen to the middle NMOS here?
So it will switch on.
Switch on. What about the bottom NMOS?
It will also be
It
on.
will also be on. Now tell me what really happens with respect to output 2.
So output becomes 0.
Output becomes 0 means it will discharge through these two NMOS which are on towards ground, and I can say this is what really, sorry. Sorry, I'm just ensure just a minute. I'll that there is some mismatch happening with respect to that. I'll just rub that and write it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, so I'll just rewrite here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so whatever I'm drawing now, it will be the correct one. Yeah, so make sure that this is, I'll just a little bit try it down here. Okay, so this is my, okay, so it will from 0, from high, it will discharge. Okay, so make sure that this is VDD, and now it will hit 0. Okay, so this is what happens. Is it okay with everyone now? Yes? Is this okay? The first clock cycle, what really happens in the cascaded version? Is this clear? So when input is 0, the output 1 is VDD because it is inverting. Similarly, output 2 input is VDD, and its output finally becomes 0. So eventually, I have input 0 here. I got this as 1, and then I'll be getting 0 somewhat. Okay, so it is working fine. Okay, next stage. Yes, Sangatya. Are you there? Sangatya, not responding. Then just make sure. Yes, Lasita. Oh, ಲಸಿತ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅದು ಅನುಭವ್ ಅವನು ಜೈ ಸುಮುಖ್
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ.
ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಕೇಳು ಈಗ ನೀನೇ ಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸುಮುಖ್.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Now, second clock cycle, first half, clock is 0. Tell me what will be my output 1?
Sir, PMOS will be on, sir, so it will get charged, sir.
Pre-charging. So this will be pre-charging. Again, it will be VDD. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the output 2?
Yes, sir. Output 2 also it will get charged, sir, because.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, aita. This is VDD. So this is what happens. So next, second half of the second clock cycle, clock becomes 1. Then
Yes,
tell me what will happen to my output 1.
Sir, PMOS will become off, sir.
Houdu.
CLI will get the first capacitor will get discharged, sir.
Why discharge? Why discharge? Why discharge fast? Why discharge? You can just look into the screen fast. Why discharge?
Sir, because
Tell me.
Clock will NMOS will be on, no, sir, so it will discharge through that.
Which NMOS will be on?
I mean, not NMOS, sir. One second.
What is Vin when clock is equal to 1 in the second clock cycle?
Oh, yes, sir. It will discharge through Vin and clock, sir, because both will be high, sir. So
That means Vin becomes 1. The
And,
NMOS which was off before, now it is on.
on.
And when clock is equal to 1, this will be on. So now this will discharge.
Discharge.
Yes or no?
Yes,
This
sir.
will discharge. And it will discharge something like this. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the discharging. So this is eventually goes to 0. Okay. So input is 0 in the first clock cycle, output is 1. In the second clock cycle, input is 1, output is becoming 0. So no problem with the first stage. Now tell me what really happens to the output 2 now.
So, like for that input, like V2 will become 0 now, sir. So
V2 will become, oh, come on, man. Immediately it will become 0, nah?
like it will discharge.
Now tell me at this point, okay, I'm just drawing there, okay. At this point, what is your output 1?
Sir, it will be high only, sir.
High, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be high. Clock is becoming 1. That means the second stage inverter is also going into evaluation phase. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When the moment the second stage is also in the evaluation, when clock is equal to 1, what is its input is all about, which is output 1? Is it 1 or 0?
0, sir. Like,
Come on, man.
at that point, it will be high, sir. 1.
ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀನ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಹತ್ರ KGF ನೀನ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. No, this is with respect to time, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes,
So at that moment, the moment the clock is equal to 1 in the second phase,
Yes, sir.
the second stage output also gets into evaluation. So when its evaluation is happening, I have to check with respect to its input. And what is its input? It is the output of the first stage. And at that point, what is the output of the first stage? It is VDD. Yes
Yes, sir.
or no? So if that is the case, what will happen to my output 2? Tell me. Second stage, the logic.
Sir, on ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sir. ಅಂದ್ರೆ discharge ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Discharge ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, it starts discharging.
Yes, sir.
Up to where? Up to some point when this output 1 is going below some point. Okay. After that, assume that the gate input of the second stage is now 0. Now tell me what will happen to the output 2 now.
Sorry.
Neither it is connected to VDD nor it is connected to VSS, right?
So it will be like undefined, sir.
Undefined. I mean, it will hold its what previous charge, right?
Yes, sir. Previous charge.
Yeah, previous charge, and it will hold and it will remain something like this. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So meaning, when the second clock cycle, the V input for the first stage was 1, V output for the second stage is 0, it is valid. This is still valid. But when I am checking the output of second stage, it should become 1 now, right? But is it becoming 1? No. It will get still charging and then it will remain in the same. So now that means this will be neither in VDD nor it will go to ground. So it will be in some
Undefined.
state. So that means this is what the cascading issue. Can I say that cascading issue is there in the dynamic CMOS?
Yes, sir.
When I connect 2 or more? Yes, Geeta Patel.
Yes, sir.
Is this what you observed or anything else?
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes. Hope this is fine with others. Hope this is fine. I will just zoom this portion. What really happens in the second stage? Okay. So I'll just zoom the second stage. That's it. Okay. This is output 1. Output 1 in this thing from VDD. It is VDD, and then it is moving from VDD to ground. Okay. 0 from VDD. Output 1 in the second stage. Second cycle. Okay. Whereas my output 2, which was at VDD, okay, yes, no doubt this is output 1, which is the input for second stage. Yes. So this is evaluation phase. This evaluation phase. So 0 is somewhere over here now, right? 0 is happening at this point, but before this 0 happenings, I should see what is really happening to the output 1. So from high, it is getting low, but for some portion of time, for some period of time, I can say that this is entirely high, right? So if this is high, obviously my output of second stage also get into decreasing. But after this I can consider as low value, and this low means it will ensure this will be get off the NMOS of the second stage. The middle NMOS gets off. That means this output is neither connected to this nor connected to this. So this output, or whatever the charge the capacitor is having, it will retain, and this will retain somewhere in the middle. So this is my VDD, whereas this is my ground. So now my output is neither VDD nor ground. It is instead of it being VDD, it is somewhere in the undefined region, and that's why there is a cascading. Each individual stage it works absolutely fine. The moment I try to cascade, this is the problem happens. Hope this is fine with everyone. Is it understood or not? Or shall I repeat once again, or shall we move ahead in overcoming this issue now? Fast. Yes. Someone should respond now. Yeah.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So now this is what we have the dynamic CMOS, one of the issue. So other issues also we know the drawbacks, but this is one of the major. Even though we can neglect the other, somehow it is working, but this is where it doesn't work now. So now what we do is we try to move, or we try to see how to overcome this. One of the disadvantage of the dynamic CMOS, that is the cascading issue. Yeah. So now we'll try to overcome the cascading issue. Okay. So overcoming this cascading issue, I said there are two types. One is the NORA logic, or I can go with domino CMOS, or there is one more, as I said, that is what we call it as just a minute, I forgot that word. That is with respect to, yeah, a rescheduling with clock. Okay, but we are not seeing this. We'll try to see how exactly the NORA logic and the Domino's logic overcomes this cascading issue. Okay, so we'll take the same example for that matter. Okay, so going ahead, we'll see what is this NORA logic. Okay, so till now your dynamic CMOS, okay, was something like this, right? So you add VDD, you add a PMOS, then you add a pull down network with the NMOS, which was having the K inputs. Then you add an NMOS at the bottom, which was connected to the VSS. Then both the PMOS at the top and the NMOS at the bottom, you add the gate of theirs was the same thing, and then the cascading is the same kind of thing, right? So output of this will go as one of the, this is a PDN NMOS. Again, this will have its inputs, and one of the input will be the output of the first stage, and similarly you have something like this now. This is VDD, again this. So clock. So any number of stages, your top PMOS and the bottom NMOS were getting the same clock. So all the stages of dynamic CMOS were either in the recharging or the evaluation phase. Okay, so this is what you had. Okay, now this is what we had studied. Okay, so now coming to this NORA logic, quite interesting is the first stage of the NORA logic is similar to what you have with respect to the first stage of the dynamic NMOS. Okay, K inputs. Yes. VSS. This is clock. This is clock, and this is where the output is all about. Okay, it is the PMOS drain and the NMOS drain where you are taking output. And now coming to the second stage is very important now, and also interesting. Some change. You have the top and the bottom transistor remaining the same. There is no change in that, which is VSS. But instead of pull down network, you will have something called the pull up network, which is predominantly of PMOS. And this also will have some inputs depending upon the logic. And the output is going to one of the input of the pull up network. And this is done. And again, since this PMOS drain is over here, NMOS drain is over here, it is the PMOS drain and the NMOS drain. You can see that this is where this is output one, this is second stage output. Okay, then can anyone tell me what will be my next stage of this NORA? Yes.
With NMOS, sorry, sir.
With NMOS, okay. So that means in the NORA circuit, I will have alternate pull down network and alternate pull up network, starting with pull down network. Okay, so this is what. So once again, I will be having pull down network, which is NMOS. And output of, no, we can see that output of this is going as one of the input. Okay, again, I have this inputs. Okay, and this is the output of the third stage. Okay, so it is repetitive. Next, I will be having pull up network, that is PMOS. Okay, so but another thing, so one is the odd stages will have pull down network, the even stages will have pull up. The pull down network will have the clock input as clock only, but for the pull up network, it will be complement of clock. That is the another difference here. Hope this is fine. Yes. the stage which is having a pull down network, okay, its top and bottom MOS transistor gate input will be clock. The stages which has pull up network, there the bottom and the top transistor clock input will be its complement. Okay, so this is what it goes on now. Okay, alternate pull down, alternate pull up. The first stage has to be my pull down network. Yes, similarly we'll see what exactly, the mode of operation, right? So in dynamic CMOS logic, we saw when clock is equal to 0, all the stages, if there are cascading, okay, it will be pre-charged. It will be pre-charging phase. The moment clock is equal to 1, then it is in the evaluation. Then we would have seen what is the input so that we can predict what is the output. Okay, but here we'll see what exactly the thing. Okay, now clock is equal to 0 in the NORA logic. Yes. Tell me now what really happens with respect to the PMOS of pull down network when clock is equal to 0. Fast. Yes, Lasita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me now in this NORA logic, the moment clock is 0, what really happens to the PMOS transistor or the MOS transistor which are there in all these NORA logic stages?
Pre-charge.
ಎಲ್ಲದು ಪ್ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಕಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. What really happens to the PMOS transistor? That's it. I'm not asking about the output of these NORA logic. Clock 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ PMOS transistor ಗಳು?
When clock is 0, PMOS will be on.
ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ PMOS ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
Odd stage on, even stage off.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, the odd stages of NORA logic PMOS will get on. The even stages of NORA logic and PMOS will be off. Okay, now tell me what will happen to the odd stages output and what will happen to the even stages output. Come on, Lasita.
Odd stage is pre-charge, sir. Even stage is 0.
0 means it's discharged, right? So some charging, right? Either it will charge to 0 or it will charge to thing. Okay, so clock is 0. Okay, so pre-charging phase as similar to the dynamic CMOS, that is all the odd stages, whereas the even stages will be discharging. Yes, this is what happens. Meaning, when I say charging means odd stages output will be VDD, and what really happens to the even stages of NORA logic, Lasita?
Sir, can you repeat?
What really happens with respect to the output of the even stages when clock is 0?
0, sir.
So pre-charging means it is VDD, discharging means it is VSS or it is 0. Is that okay? So this is what. So clock is 0, still it is some kind of charging. Okay, so pre-charging or discharging. The moment clock becomes 1, this is second evaluation. Yes, Rani.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, the moment clock is equal to 1, what really happens to the PMOS and NMOS? So, in clock is equal to 0, pre-charging because NMOS on. Why discharging of odd, even stages of NORA logic, Bhumika Rani?
Sir, in odd stages, PMOS is off, sir.
Odd stages, PMOS off. ಏನ್ರಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಈಗಿನ
Sir.
odd stages ಅಲ್ಲಿ PMOS on ಅಂತಾರೆ.
Sir, when the clock is 1, the odd stage
Zero
PMOS is...
I'm still in clock 0. Why the even stages output will become 0 when clock is equal to 0? ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Why even stage? For the example, this.
On, sir.
So when clock is equal to 0, even stages NMOS will be on. Odd stages PMOS will be on. The moment clock is, so you have to write this also. The even stage PMOS on, so it is pre-charging, whereas, sorry, this is odd stage. Even stage NMOS on, so it is discharged. So now tell me, when clock is equal to 1, what really happens with respect to the odd stage PMOS?
So odd stage PMOS is off, sir, when clock is equal to 1.
Off. Okay, so even stage PMOS will be on. Similarly, what happens to the even stage PMOS?
Even stage PMOS is on, sir.
On. NMOS?
NMOS is off, sir.
Off. Okay. Now tell me, output will be what? What phase the NORA logic will enter when clock is equal to 1?
Sir, output is VDD, sir, like
I'm showing in the circuit. Clock is equal to 1. Many times I have told you to use the earphone or ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir.
Can't you have a common sense?
No,
Many
sir.
times I have told. That's it. No reason.
Sir, I am wearing earphone only, sir. It will be amplified when we use the earphone, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ 1 ಇದೆ.
Yes.
ಆಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ PMOS ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Sir?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ PMOS ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಫ್. NMOS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
NMOS is on, sir.
On. Tell me, the first stage of this NORA logic enter which phase?
Sir, pre-charging phase, sir.
ಹೌದಾ?
Sir,
Pre-charging.
sir. Evaluations.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? PMOS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Sir, in second stage, PMOS is pre-charging, sir. Sorry, sir. PMOS is on, sir. So.
ಆನ್. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೇಳಿದಷ್ಟೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಬೇಕು. NMOS ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ?
NMOS off, sir.
ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಯಾವ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರೋದಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ?
Sir.
ಯಾವ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ರೀ ಇದು? ಪುಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಪುಲ್ ಡೌನ್?
Sir.
ಪುಲ್ ಅಪ್. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ, the second stage, that is the first even stage, will be in which phase of working?
Pre-charging, sir.
Pre-charging. Yes, Lasita, can you help your friend?
Yes, sir.
ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ pre-charging? Suppose ಈ pull up network open circuit ಆಗಿರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? That also will be in the evaluation depending upon the input to this pull up network.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Similar to the dynamic CMOS logic, okay, in NORA logic also, clock is equal to 0, either pre-charging or discharging. The moment clock is equal to 1, it will enter the evaluation phase irrespective of the pull down network or the pull up network. Is that clear with everyone? Fast.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll just take the same example, okay, of this inverter. Okay, so this is my Vin, this is output 1, this is output 2, but now I am using a NORA logic here. Oh my God. Next. NORA logic. So I have two stages. Now we'll see whether this cascading using this NORA logic will help me or not. Will it overcome the cascading issue. Okay, so now the same example of inverter I take. Okay, inverter first stage and inverter second stage. Okay, this is what. So I have VDD. Okay, then I have a PMOS. Lasita, be ready for explaining this. This is clock. This is V in. This is clock. This is where the output, because this is a pull down network, make sure that this is pull down. Okay. Then I have second stage of inverter with the pull up network. And this pull up network again is an inverter. Okay. And output of the first is acting as a clock input here. So sorry, pull up, it is PMOS. Okay, and now the output is somewhere over here. This is my pull up network. This is VDD, and for even stages, I'm giving the clock bar as the gate input for the top PMOS and the bottom NMOS. Okay, this is my output too. Again, this is kind of capacitance, and again the output I have this. Hope this is fine. Yes, this is the NOR logic. First stage pull down, second stage pull up, and again alternative keeps on going. Yes. Lasita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Spandana.
Yes, sir.
Idira. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So we'll see. For the same kind of, so this is a clock 0, 2 phase, 2 cycles is enough. 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is 1 and this is my off clock cycle. This is clock cycle. Okay, and okay. So now this is my V in input to the first stage, which is initially 0, the same thing I'm taking, and then it is 1. Okay, 0 0 1 1. Okay, then I have to see what is my output 1 and output 2. Now tell me, Spandana.
Yes, sir.
First cycle of the clock, first half of the first cycle, what is my clock?
0, sir.
0. Tell me what is my output 1?
Output 1 is VDD, sir. High.
What do you mean by this VDD? What do you mean by this VDD at the output 1?
Pre-charge, sir.
Pre-charge.
High.
Okay. This is pre-charge. Okay. Next, what is output 2?
Pre-charge, sir.
Value. Okay, now tell me, output 1 is VDD how? Fast. Why? Output 1 is VDD.
So
Output
PMOS is
1.
on.
PMOS is on, NMOS is off, it will VDD. Okay, now come to the output 2. For the first half of the first cycle, what happens to your PMOS? Clock ಏನಿದೆ ರೀ?
Clock 0, sir. PMOS off.
NMOS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
On.
Tell me now, this capacitor will be charging through this PMOS section to VDD, or it will discharge to VSS through the NMOS which is there at the bottom.
It will discharge, sir.
ಮತ್ತಾಗ್ಲೇ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. What you saw here, when clock is equal to 0, your odd stages which has a pull down network will pre-charge, whereas your even stage which has a pull up network, it will discharge to VSS.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the output 2 for the first half of the first cycle? VSS because of discharge. Yes?
Zero,
No?
sir. Zero.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what really happens in the second half of the first cycle when clock becomes 1.
Zero.
Yen 0. Yen 0 re.
PMOS will be on, sir. NMOS off. So zero.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
V1, second half of the first cycle.
Second half of the cycle, output ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ?
Zero, sir.
ಯಾಕೆ 0?
PMOS is on, sir. NMOS is off.
PMOS
First
ಆನ್
stage.
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಏನ್ ತಲೆರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ದಲ್ಲೂ PMOS ಆನ್ ಅಂತ, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂದೂ PMOS ಆನ್ ಸ್ಪಂದನ. ತಲೆ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
I'm seeing, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್, ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ದಿವಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅರ್ಜುನ್
Sir, yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ.
Sir, the first stage, PMOS is off, sir.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ.
Sir, ಕೆಳಗೆ NMOS on ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕೆಳಗೆ NMOS ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Sir, ಅದು discharging phase ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಪುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನೋ ರಂಗ?
Okay, input 0.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲು. ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. Don't simply say something. What is input here in the evaluation phase?
0.
0. Tell me what really happens. This is pull down network. Off, on?
Sir, off.
Off. Now tell me what really happens to the output 1 in the second half of the first cycle.
Sir, floating.
Floating means andre ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Capacitor charging ಅದೇಳು. That is what your output 1, right?
Sir, yes, sir.
ಹೇಳು.
Sir,
What is the
high impedance?
high impedance with what charge?
VDD.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಪಂದನ ನೋಡಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಪಂದನ ನೋಡಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? Now tell me what really happening to my output too fast. Clock 1 ಇದೆ. PMOS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? NMOS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Second stage.
PMOS is on, sir.
NMOS.
Off.
Output ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? Okay, tell me in what phase the output second stage will be? Recharging or charging, recharging, discharging or evaluation?
Recharging. Recharging.
ತಲೆ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ?
Evaluation phase.
It has to be in the evaluation because we have already told the moment clock is equal to 1, all the stages of dynamic CMOS, similarly NOR logic also will be going into the evaluation. Stupidity at your end. Okay, understand whatever you want. Yes, sir. Tell me what is the output to Geeta? Yeah, someone told evaluation. Continue that. Fast. Someone should come up fast.
It will be 0 only, sir.
It will be
0.
Gubad bada input nodra yenide alli output input enadu? The moment it is evaluation, I have to see what is the input for second stage, which is nothing but what the output 1, right? Yes, you should tell me the moment it is a evaluation. You should tell me for the either for the pull-up network or the pull-down network, what is its input? Gate input. What is the gate input for the pull-up network now? It is in the evaluation. Fast. Yenide. What is V2 input, which is basically output 1?
VDD.
VDD. So VDD idre, what will happen to your PMOS now? What will happen to the pull-up network PMOS if the gate input of that PMOS is VDD? Fast.
Off.
Aglebeku tane? Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the output now? At 2. It is neither connected to the top VDD, neither it is connected to VSS through any MOS transistor. It will be high impedance, but with what charge it had before? What was the charge it had before here in the first half of the first cycle?
0 only, sir.
So it will be holding it 0 only. You should analyze and tell me. Don't blindly tell me that it is 0. Is that clear? Yes. Now, what will happen to the first half cycle of the second stage? Yes. Fast.
Sir, again pre-charge.
Pre-charge, yes. VDD, but it is not slap. I mean, I'm not crossing over here anything. Okay, I'm not shading anything here because it is a pre-charge. What will happen to the output 2?
It
Yes,
will also
what-
start charging.
Charging. Stage 1 charge adre, stage 2 even status. So it has to discharge. Yes, discharge means again it is 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a common thing. The moment clock is equal to 0, these things will be same. The only thing is we have to ensure what really happens in the evaluation now. Okay, so now who will volunteer in telling me what really happens in the second half of the second cycle? Who will want to volunteer fast?
So first stage discharge ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಚೇತನ್.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಅದು ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
What happens to PMOS NMOS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
PMOS off, both NMOS will be on.
Clock is equal to 1, PMOS off, okay, NMOS on, okay. So now pull down network nodtira, what is V in this case? It is 1. So your pull down network, that is NMOS on agutta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it will discharge. Yes,
Yes, sir.
it will discharge to 0. All of you are okay with this particular point, what Chetan said? Immediately, yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, that's done. So that means this, whatever the output is there now, this will act as an input to the second stage. Okay, that's what we have to see now. Now, yes, we will volunteer now for evaluating the output 2 for the second phase of the second cycle, first, second half of the second cycle. Who will volunteer now?
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. Tell me
Sir,
what really happens to the PMOS and NMOS.
Yeah, PMOS will be on. The pull-up also will be on.
Pull-up also will be on. Why?
The input is 0, sir.
Why? Who said 0 at this point? You have to
We are
always
getting-
see, if this is my T0, this is my T1, this is my T2, this is my T3. See, where is your T3 and where is your 0 becoming? There is T3 plus some delta time is there, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
can't take
Discharge
that 0. Discharge agutte munde, but at T3, clock is becoming 1, means both the stages will be going into evaluation phase. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? And I could get output of the first discharging from high to low. But what really happens at the T3 for the output 2?
It will start charging after some time.
it will charging after some time, but before that, what is this now?
It will be off only, sir. Like,
Come on, man. Idra output ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
ah, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ನನಗೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ?
Ah, sir. Initially off ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? This
ಅವಾಗ
is high means
zero.
this will be low only for some time, right? And after some time, all these things is zero for me. This one is zero. Then it will charge to try to go to maximum. Okay, is it okay? So something like that. So finally, I can say that after some time, this may not exactly be VDD, but something above something we call it as VDD, right? Because of all those things. So we say this will go to VDD. Yes, all of you are with me? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, I'll just write this also. Why it will start charging at this point now. Okay, so this is what happens. So now, first cycle, input 0, output 1 VDD, output 2 0. Is it working as an inversion at the first stage and also inversion at the second stage? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
I applied 0, I'm getting 1 here, and finally this is 0. Come to the second cycle where the input is 1. Yes. What is the output of the first stage? It is 0. Yes. And finally, what is the output of the second stage?
1.
1. So 0 1 0 1 0 1. Is there any cascading issue here?
No, sir.
No. So this is the NORA logic can overcome the cascading that we add in the dynamic CMOS logic. Any clarification doubts here? Any clarification doubts here? Any clarification doubts? Fast, yes, no?
No, sir.
No, yes. So this is what all about the NORA. Dynamic logic, we will take it in the next class.